Ever wish you had superpowers to make your smile straighter without anyone noticing? Well, guess what? With clear aligners at Lightning Orthodontics, you can go full invisible woman mode. No brackets, no wires, just results. We specialize in clear aligners and braces for teens and adults, powered by cutting-edge tech, flexible payment plans, and a vibe that makes you feel at home. Located in Lutz, just 3 minutes from Tampa Premium Outlets. Comment below, who's your favorite Fantastic Four hero? Let's settle it.